welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And we have Marcia on the mix, and she's given a verbal warning to Ashanti. She's saying that Ashanti and Janet will need to show up in court as she will be serving a deposition, and she's saying that this will require both Ashanti and Janet to appear in court. And even though Janet is allegedly living in Canada, she's saying that Janet would still need to come to court, or there will be a summons on her. And whenever she tries to enter the country, then she will be arrested, basically. So, Marcia is saying that they would need to be in court, and this is for Ashanti to cease and desist from talking about her and her son, CJ. And so, as you know, this has been a saga between her and Ashanti ongoing, and so here it is. She's given a verbal warning what is to come. So please remember to go ahead and watch the video and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel as always. And for newcomers, go and check out the other videos in the saga. Have a wonderful one.
Don't stop it. And also, there is lawyers waiting for you. And also, your woman Janet is going to be involved also, is going to give a deposition to both of you. And when you get a deposition, you have to show up in a court. And that means, both of you are going to be interrogated, asking questions about this and that and that and this and that and that. And you better prove it. And when you give an open deposition, indirect or direct, you know say, and you talk about things, you know say it is going to be a public record in the courthouse. And if you don't show up for a deposition, you know say there will be a summons out for your arrest. And not because, Janet, you're living in Canada, you have to come. And if you don't come to deposition, just like when the president of the United States, they get a deposition, you have to show up at court. When you're coming to the airport, they're going to have a summons for you to arrest. You can't miss it, so you have to appear. So any secret 300 of you, included anything that is stated on social media, what is going on with the allegedly that has been spreading on social media by lots of by bloggers out there, that you have committed crime or fraud or anything, and taxes, they're going to have definition, how many years you pay taxes, how you get your phone. Things have to come together. So, in behalf of that, ask your man 300 to cease and desist all allegations, rumors, threats, and defamation of characters that he has been going on social media, to stop it, to cease and desist it, because lawyers are ready and secure, and they're not playing. So if you want to continue to come out and slander the man, his wife, and his children, well, just to let you know, this is not a card game. This is not a Ring Roses game. This is not a puss and dog game. This is real life situations. So, me never ask you nothing if you can write down nothing, Me never ask you nothing. I don't have no interpreter over here. I don't need no interpreter over here. So whenever I speak, please do not come right. Say what me say and what me not say. I do not ask no secretary and no translator over here. Don't try it. Okay? Alright. So, if you want to keep up it, if you want to keep it up, if you want to keep up your bully, you know say, you have to go back out some money. Your people on social media have to go give you some money to go get a liar. Lad, me did know say God was going to work in my favor. True, me not have no rotted money to take you in. Somebody else have it. Yes, me dear. So, keep up the lovely work. Keep up the lovely work, and they will see you into the courthouse. And let the show begin. It's up to you, 300, to stop the slandering and name calling of people, wife and children, and the slandering of the man we are called up. And also, you need to answer your door and come and get your paperwork. Because they have tried to come to your house, ring your doorbell to give you your cease and desist paper, and you don't want to come and take it. But even though you don't come and take it, there is other ways to proceed to it. So, it is out there. It is out there. And remember, 300, I know me who broke like a dog. Them are people who have money. Remember that, you know. My number is 516-951-8799. Somebody type a number for me. 516. Remember, if you order nothing, you have to pay for today, because tomorrow I pick up. 516-951-8799. So 300, I realize that you are a bully on social media. And you're talking about people when I have no evidence about. Just like when you come out here and you slaughter me. You spread all kind of rumor upon me. You drag me down there, so you drag me there, so you take me pitney, you drag me there, so, and there's a whole heap of clause in there. Even with my son's situation that you bring on social media to bring mischief and malice and it even though it's a public record, but it's not for you to come out here and fling out him picture on social media and use it as menacing and bullying. And just because I may not have the money, that's why you're not reaching a quota set. You know, means you're not going to reach in the future with me. Mark my 10. Because if I wasn't after doing so much things, it's going to get there, believe me. Me, you're going to end up in there. Mark my 10. If I the last breath left in my body, me, I end up in there. Me not ask you. Me, I tell you straight up. That is the number. So, in this sense, the message can relate to you. Whether you get serve or serve not. Because lots of things that has been said, you have repeated it. That means say, if I know you couldn't repeat them. If you never send them, you couldn't repeat them. If you never have them for send, you couldn't repeat them, because only you alone know and the individual what taking place, and you come and repeat it by your page. So, broke pocket boy, you're only going to get yourself in a big one piece of Ross. You play with get away, Coco. Get away. Get away. No playing now, go on here. No playing now, go on, Coco. Me no playing with you right now. You play with fire, and you're going to get burned. So the time you did it, count down how much days me have left nice apartment here. Go try see if you can get one little job to pay a lawyer fee. If you no decide to shut your mouth and stop disrespect people and slandering people, discrimination that you don't have no evidence of. Because you're out there talk about people mad, people this, and people that, and people kill people, and people that, when people already done do them job and retire and come out of them job, and you did attack. Me say, me want you continue talk. Cause me want them sue you for the 2 brief for your and for your body. But it is a good thing to give you a little warning according to the judicial system. But me want them to sue you for the 2 little dirty brief them we have. Don't even talk about the little damn little piece of lice head way up at your top. And that me want them sue you for. And your 2 false teeth them we have need. And that me want them sue you little backside for. Yes. So me deliver the message. And Janet, if you're listening to me, if you're not control, you're like a skettle man. If you're not control, you're like a 2 brief man. We go every time in bed in washing drawers. Cripsy. Come to know what we are doing a man like that. I wash drawers every time in bed and put an eye chop up in bathroom and put on the next drawers the next day. So you can't stay there with him big little thinking more to have him going to put you in a peer trouble. You can't sit down on page and talk about Marcia, you are the biggest bully, but you love to give, but you can't take. Kiss my ass, you bitch, and go off on page. That's what you have to do. Kiss my black ass, you motherfucker, and get the fuck off my page. But Marcia is the biggest bully. A woman, a somebody like if a woman. You want a woman never sit down and take beating from a man and don't have no high self-esteem. All me do on social media is defend my raw self. So if you call that bully, kiss my ass, you motherfucker. But Marcia, you are the biggest bully. Me know you're a woman. Move fire and go sit down and get some self-esteem in your cock a ass clot. You're the man too. You're the woman that work and carry my blood clot paycheck again, man. Come over on page. You don't have one raw sense. Me block you. Me no want no idiot woman boy. Go about your pussy clot business. Me block you from you. You're dirty Ross. Don't have one bumble sense. Yes, that is. Oh, you are too. Oh, we are say you are okay. I don't have time for you right now. I block you from my page. Go about your business. You don't have no raw sense. You don't want to come up here, and you don't want to take up for yourself. You can't do be bad by your bumble self. You don't want to come up here come be man government. Big woman government. Them have woman as vice president of the United States. Be powered by woman strong. We stronger than Ross, man. And we push out 10 pound baby, 9 pound baby, 7 pound baby, 6 pound baby with a cock a Ross. And we out there stretch out the pussy I push out baby. And I feel pain and I walk up and down with big belly in front of we. And I spit and I nyam. So we must be strong. Move fire. When, so we no come about now about bully. Bully way. Me just take up for myself. That's how me do. Take up for myself. When man know nothing, man weak. Man weak to us. From Jesus take out the tool ribs out of the side and get the woman, then become weak. Then weak for pussy and then weak for everything. And everything. So we must sit down